Hi, my name is Karan. I represent a company, Preton Energy. We guys are into manufacturing, assembling of lithium ion batteries, phosphate, and NMC. That is a mixture of cobalt and some other metals used to enhance this technology's battery backup and all. You can see right here we have some of the products. This is only for display. We have a variation of 12, 24, 48 and thus increasing voltages. It can go up to 72 volt as well. We have a purpose, a feature actually with this technology. We can design different values of current from a particular power pack, which can all be engineered using basic series and parallel connections. Please meet Mr. Subhash Tiwari. He's our techie. He's the working hands and the brain behind the assembling of batteries. The scope and the necessity of this technology, if you ask me, I'll tell you the advantages. Compared with conventional batteries, they are much cleaner. They are far more output providing. They are uniform output providing. They have a longer life. They are very safe to use by a user and by the industry, the equipment itself. Apart from that, there is another benefit of this one product. It is long life, less maintenance. So it means it is one time, cost, and we can actually address a variety of applications. The main applications or the major consumer of this one market is electronic vehicle segment, which is all this expo all about. And we are also designing and we are also working with three-wheeler batteries, that is electric rickshaw, and about two-wheelers, electric vehicles, which is numerous number available here. And to tell you more, I'll pass on with Subhash Tiwari ji. You can address more.